Tai'an Ocean Pump Company Limited is the leading dredge pump machine exporter dedicated in supplying sand pumping and dredging equipments to worldwide customers since 2012. Before foreign trade business, we have been devoted ourselves to domestic and abroad dredging undertaking for more than 20 years. We and our cooperation factory have rich designing and manufacturing experiences in dredging machine fields. We have more than 4 series, 20 kinds of dredge pumps, slurry pumps, gravel pumps, sand dredgers, and related parts had been manufactured to satisfy your pumping requirements. It is very convenient for you to source sand suction pump and dredge parts from our company. We have our own professional, technical, and engineer team who can help you to design or customize the products. We can also help to select the most suitable products for your project. We have provided effective sand pumping and dredging equipments to over 60 countries. Our products are widely used for river sand pumping, mining pumping, pond dredging, reservoir dredging, tailing transportation, and land reclamation. Our customers are from Southeast Asia, like Malaysia and Singapore, Central Asia, like Kazakhstan, South America, like Brazil, Africa, like Nigeria, Cameroon. Tai'an Ocean Pump Company Limited has a professional technical training, consultation, and site service team. All your inquiries and questions will reply within 24 hours. We have lifetime after-sales service for our products and services. Any requirements about our products, just feel free to contact us.